What are the different types of terms we have in algebraic expressions? If two terms have the same variables with the same powers, they are called like terms. Same variables and same powers. So are 7xy and 15xy like terms? Each of the terms have two variables and they are the same, x and y. Are the powers of each the same? Yes, they are like terms. The power of x in each term is 1 and the power of y as well is 1 in each case. The coefficients can be different, it doesn't matter. But the variables and their powers have to be the same. What about 3x squared y and 3xy cubed? Like or not? They have the same variables, yes, but the powers of x as well as y are different in each term. So they are unlike terms. The next pair is 8xyz and 8xy. Like or unlike? The first term has x, y and z as its variables, but the second term does not have z. As they do not have the same variables, they are unlike terms. Like terms can be added or subtracted. Take this expression for instance. They are like terms as they have the same variables with the same powers. So the coefficients can be added to write this as 22xy. Here's another expression. They are like terms as they have the same variables and same powers with each variable. 19 minus 7 is 12. So this expression can be reduced to 12x squared y. Try and simplify this one. We cannot reduce this expression further as they are unlike terms. So we can add or subtract terms if they are like. What about multiplication of terms? Look at this example. 3x squared y times 5xy cubed. To make multiplication simple, we should ideally group constants and same variables together. Grouping the coefficients, we write 3 times 5. Grouping the variable x, we can write x squared times x. And grouping y, we get y times y cubed. Solving this gives us the answer as 15x cubed y raised to 4. 15 is 3 times 5 and we use the product law to get x cubed and y raised to 4. Here we multiplied a monomial with a monomial. A monomial is an expression with one term. In the next example, we have to multiply a monomial with a binomial. It's simple. We can just use the distributive property to add this product with this one. The product of these two terms gives us 3a squared b cubed and the product of these two terms is 3a raised to 4 bd. Division of terms is also as simple as their multiplication. In this example, we are dividing a monomial by another one. Just like what we did in multiplication, we group constants together and same variables together. This is how grouping like terms would look. Constants and same variables. We get the quotient as 3m squared q. And another type would be that of a polynomial divided by a monomial like this one. It would be the first term divided by the divisor plus the second term divided by the divisor and so on. Here it would be 10xy divided by 2xy plus 6x squared y divided by 2xy plus 2xy squared over 2xy. That gives us 3 cases of monomial over monomial. Solving each case gives us 5 plus 3x plus y. So, in algebraic expressions, it is imperative that you understand the concept of terms.